What's going on, Blessed Gang? You already know it's your girl, Super Blessed. If you don't know who Blessed Gang is, that is a problem. You know why? That must mean you're not one of them. So I'll help you out. I'm gonna let you in on what you have to do. Oh, there's a little red button that is your subscribe button. If you click it, that means you're subscribed to my channel. But more than that, that means that you are part of Blessed Gang. Isn't that great? So as you can see, I'm really wet right now. It's wash day, as you can tell. I'm at the point where I have washed, shampoo, conditioned my hair, and I'm gonna wash it out. I also use a little bit of rice water. I really like that to help grow my hair, and it also gives it a lot more of a shinier texture. So once I wash this out, you guys, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you all what I do on wash day as far as blow drying it, because a lot of times blow drying can be very, very tedious and it can be very painful, especially for people who have coarser hair like 4C. Naturally, I am 4C, even though it may not look like it, but I have conditioner in my hair right now, so it has a little bit of weight to like stretch out my hair and have it flat. I love this blow dryer. It definitely gets the job done so much quicker. I'll be right back. All right, Blessed Gang, so I'm back. I've washed out everything, and now we're going to do a little review over this Revlon hairbrush. It's like a paddle brush, but it has heat that comes out of the little circle things here on it, as you can see. I got it for $50, if I'm not mistaken, at Ulta Beauty. It is pretty big, but it's worth it. Yeah, so this is what we look like. When I normally do any type of like blowouts, I like to use this coconut milk anti-breakage serum. But more important than that, you want to make sure that whenever you're applying heat to your natural hair, ladies, make sure that we're putting on some type of anti-heat protectant, because otherwise it's going to break your hair, your natural hair. And so normally I'll just gently get it through there just so that it's in there. And I love this one because it smells so good. And I just kind of like rub my hands through it just so it's in there. But of course that's not enough. Whenever I blow dry my hair, I like to section it out in multiple sections at a time. I'm probably gonna use this wide tooth comb here. And there's nothing on the comb. And that is my explanation of why I like to use I'm gonna use some rubber bands. Be careful when using rubber bands, ladies, because if not, you can really tangle up your hair. So I like to also put a little oil on them before using them. So, So this is my first section. I normally like to do my back first. So, boop. And you can finger part your hair. It doesn't matter. I normally like to use a comb just because it keeps the hair from just give yourself a nice little fourth part. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'll bun that one up. Then I have my parts in the back. go. And then I'll button this one up. I normally like to put like a shower cap on any parts of my hair that I am not doing anything to, so that it doesn't get dry, but hey. So you just want to make sure that you get that edge control or that heat protected in your hair really good. That's what's going to keep it from breaking. Okay. And like I said, you might want to just detangle your hair again. Starting from the bottom. I did a pretty good detangle while I was washing it, so it's not too bad. Whenever you're pulling your hair, you make sure that you have a good grip on it, or else you're going to be pulling it out of your scalp. Okay, and look, you may see a little bit of something, but barely. Again, that is why I like to use my good old rice water. All right, so again, I like to use serum on it for my hair as well. There's off, cool, low, and high. Most people like to do their things on cool and all that other stuff. I like to put mine on high just because, you know, I think my hair can take it. I don't have any problems with having my stuff on high. So I'm about to have it on high. Now that I'm gonna get down into each individual section more in detail with it, because when you're doing your blowouts, you definitely want to make sure that you get everything dry. Get all the way down to my roots, like literally every single time. The key part about doing your blowouts with your natural hair, especially if you are a 4C girl, is you have to make sure that you are routinely taking care of it and making sure that you are doing your detangling before you do any of your blowouts. You want to make sure you detangle. You want to make sure you detangle. You want to make sure you detangle. So, like I said, it took about 5 minutes just for me to do one section. And I'll actually do the top part. Normally I do my backs and then I work my way up, but just for the purpose, I mean, most people hair is thicker up front. At least that's how mine is. And I'm pretty sure, like I said, a lot of people can relate to that as well. So I can't remember if you can never get too much of this. So heat protectant, because I need to make sure that my hair don't break. And so do you. And I like massage it in there really good. And then, oh. And for a lot of people who use the blow dryer, they don't like to get their hair super dry. They're just trying to get it, you know, dry enough. And it'll take you less time to do so. But for the purpose of what I'm doing it for, I need it to be super dry. By the way, if you have any questions about my keg of water, that is a gallon of water. I'm drinking it every day due to swelling I'm having during this pregnancy already. So the doctor suggested that the more water I drink, the more water my body will get rid of. So to drink a gallon a day. So that's my mission. In order for me to have easy access to a gallon a day, I have to buy a gallon water bottle. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm gonna take care of my kitchen now. And if you know what the kitchen is, so that was half of my hair, blow drying it. And I got really good to my scalp. I will have this other side here done in just a second. Alrighty, guys, so my hair is completely dry. Completely dry now. So at this point, I normally just section it off in 4 parts, and then I will straighten it just as I blow dried it, and that's usually all that I do for my process of doing a blowout. I'm just going to flat iron my hair off camera and I will come back to you guys. So this is the finished look, y'all. But yeah, my hair feels really soft. It's super shiny. That's another effect of using the rice water. It helps your hair grow. It's almost like a conditioner. It allows your hair to be softer, and then it also gives your hair this type of moisture to it that kind of like makes it really soft. I let my amazing boyfriend trim my ends a little bit, so it's a couple errors in it, but it doesn't look bad. Yeah, so that is it. He actually took off a little bit more than I needed, but it'll grow back. And like I said, you can order this thing on Amazon, and if you don't want to order it on Amazon, you can also just go straight into Ulta Beauty, the makeup store, where they also supply it for roughly the same price. If you have any questions about this product, about straightening your hair, blow drying your hair, any natural hair questions in general, please make sure that you drop them down in the comments below. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if there's any questions about any natural hair or any questions about the product that I've bought and used in this video, make sure you drop them down in the comments below. I definitely gotta mention, if you are not part of Blessed Gang, I need you to be part of Blessed Gang. Hit that subscribe button, and that's all to it. It's free. If you don't have a YouTube account, make one. It's super easy. You just need a Gmail, and that's all to it, you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching. I hope that this was really helpful. And more than anything, I hope your life is filled with more blessings and less stressing.